This is my Amazon review for this amazing tea kettle that I found on Amazon about a year ago. It's held up really well. It heats up super quickly. I'm just reheating this water. I don't have it completely full to the max, but when you do have it completely full, it takes about a minute to boil and about 3 minutes to go to a rolling boil. And you turn it on with this little lever right here. And I'm gonna pour this water into these adorable teacups that I'd also got on Amazon. I will link both of these in the comments section. Look at that. See, it's boiling already. Isn't that amazing? I would love to know what your favorite tea is. If you could list that in the comments section also. My favorite, I believe, is the honey lavender, and I love the little message on my tea bag today. It says, "May your head and heart speak with one voice." I think that's a beautiful message for today. And look at that. If you would like to see more review videos, I love supporting other small businesses. Please subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.